Hey guys, BB Under 44 here with a airsoft gun review. Crosman Stinger R33. Crosman. Alright, so start from down here. We have a foldable stock if the button will want to. For the axle. Alright, foldable stock, button release. Mine's actually broken because when I bought it, that thing wasn't there. So, yeah. And you have a pistol grip for your grip on this. Select fire, safety, or fire. A rail, spring powered. Yeah, I don't have the first sight that came with it because I kind of broke that one. But this one's not very good either. Hopefully be getting a new one. Yes, this is a Walmart gun. It holds it up, not holds it up, but it's about 350 FPS. Magazine is plastic. Fairly heavy actually, maybe about 2 pounds. But you guys flip this up and put maybe like 500 BBs or something in there. Pull this thing down and shake it. This thing holds about 20 BBs. This is the mag release right there. This thing holds the that in place. So yeah. So hop up. I had it on good settings. I got a flashlight for it. Blue light. Got a hand grip for it too. Not the best, but still a hand grip. I actually spray painted it, so that's why. Otherwise, it would still be clear. Yeah, flashlight. Orange tip. I don't know what that's for yet, but yeah. Nice. Pretty nice gun for a Walmart gun. Yeah. Comment, subscribe, rate. Thanks for watching.